function of how to enter a trade and how to exit a trade. Now, this is not trading. We're not going to read the chart at all. I'm simply going to show you the process of entering a trade. Obviously, we have to choose how much we want to bid and if we're going to enter a buy or a sell. So based off of the chart here, I'm going to go down to the 1 minute chart, and I am going to click this little reticle in the upper left-hand corner, and it will pull up the trade panel. A lot of different ways to do this. That's how I do it. And you can see that sell is on the left and it shows the sell price, and buy is on the right. I don't pay attention to those numbers at all. What I want to know is what I'm bidding. So right now, 0.10 means I'm bidding $1. 0.10 is $1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a sell trade at this point. And I am in a sell. You can see it's not very easy to see, but it puts a very light dashed green line. And I'm going to hit the trade terminal so we can look at the trade below here. So you can see I did a sell trade at 0.1 lot size. I did it on the US 30, and we are currently in about this index is what we're going to trade. It's going to move really fast. So right now we're at a $20, $40, $30. You can see it just constantly going. I did pay a commission of 0.5 or 50 cents. So it's typically half of what you bid. So we bid $1, so the commission is 50 cents. So that's why these two numbers are different over here. $40.30 minus the fee is now what our profit is, $19. It's going all over the place. So I'm in profit right now. The way to close this trade is to simply hit this X right here. Let me unhighlight that. So to simply hit this X right here, and I will close this trade. So I can get out at current 20-cent loss or a $4. Let's get out at a profit. So let's wait. So right there, $4.80. I clicked the X button. Now, if we go over to the account history, I've already done a few test trades in this, but here's the test trade. We just did 0.10. We did a sell, as you can see, and then way over to the right here is $5.30 profit. So I'm going to right click actually and show comments. That way the comments are way over to the right here. Comments are really only if you're manually doing that, or if you're trading with a robot, you get a comment that said, hey, the robot took a trade. I do that so I can move this profit price a little bit over to the left here. So we just made $5.30. Now, let's go ahead and do this again. Now that I have the trade panel open below, we're looking at account history. Let's go back to trade tab so I can see any live trade. And I'm going to go ahead and hit buy. So I'm going to hit the buy button. We did a buy at 0.1. Here I am down here in the trade panel. You can see here where it says buy 0.1 US 30, the price, and there's other things that we will look at later, but a 50-cent commission. And if and when it goes into profit, I'm just going to go ahead and hit the X button and get out. Now it happens really fast. This particular it's not a currency pair, it's an index. This moves extremely fast. That's why I like to trade it, especially during training sessions. But I also like to trade it with live money, because if you're doing the right thing, guess what? You're making a lot of money in a couple minutes or less. So let's close it out right there. It was about a $20 profit. Let's go look at account history tab. And you can see it was $20 when I clicked profit, but $15.30 when I finished. So pretty simple. So it's profit after profit after profit. Now, I'm just taking random trades, right? And I'm being profitable. Let's do one more. Let's go back to the trade panel, and I'm going to do a sell trade. So I'll click sell, and there we are. We're in a sell trade, 0.10 lot size. And I'm currently at about a $25 drawdown. And how do you know that? What's a drawdown? It just shows a negative number, minus 35, minus 40. So what I can do is I can sit here, and I'll throw some terminology out here called scalping. I can scalp the price movement. And you have to be careful, because you certainly can get a trade and go into a trade and it will go completely against you like it is now. I did a sell trade and the price is going up, so it's going against me. I'm in drawdown here. Let's go ahead and close this at a loss. I'm going to hit the close X, and I'm out at about a 70 $4.70 loss. You can see it there. So that's it. That's how you enter a trade, how you enter a buy, how you enter a sell. Now, when to enter is what comes next. The magic is what happens next. We've got our template, we've got our indicator, we've got our control panel, our buy and our sell panel up here. We understand how much to bid, we understand price movement, but the ultimate understanding comes from actually trading. So in the next video, we will begin trading. We'll begin doing some more trading, more in line with looking at the RSI, or the relative strength index, which you can see is moving here over on the right. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.